Now, the big kids in the family, the parents, well, this is their space. This is what is left over from us converting part of the carport into a living area. It's a nice little open porch that'll become a very special outdoor entertainment area. Now, we've already completed a lot of the work. The painter's almost finished, and our electricians installed our new ceiling fan that's rated for the exterior use, as well as a few recessed lights to provide lighting. But we still have a lot of work to do in this area. The owners were dissatisfied with their old grill and decided if they were going to buy a new one, they wanted a built-in grill. We're going to help that along by building them a complete grilling station. This little custom center is being built out of pressure-treated lumber and plywood, and it's designed specifically to house not only the grill, but a small fridge, a sink, and some storage space. So we're effectively creating a small outdoor kitchen. The top of the unit will have cement backer board applied to it so a tile countertop can be installed, and we primed and painted it with the same color that was used for the trim on the house. To blend it into the rest of the outdoor entertainment area, we're doing the same thing for the railings around the existing deck. I can already tell what a great area for entertaining this will be out on the wood deck that already looks a lot better now that the handrails have been painted. This will be perfect when the weather's nice, and when it's not so nice, you have a covered area to keep the party going. Now, the cooking station is really at the point where we're ready for the tile to be installed, and this is a marble tile that the homeowners have selected, and about 3/8 of an inch thick, very easy to glue it right down to the cement backer board. After that's in place, they can install their new gas grill they have ready to go and slip the refrigerator in place, and they'll be ready for the first cookout. Now, another finishing touch that is about to take place on the slab that's here, the original slab, is to match the same score joints and stain that we're putting inside the house. Now, this was a lot harder to score this than the inside because this is about a 15-year-old slab. The surface a lot harder than the month-old slab we dealt with inside. But I can't wait to see what this area will look like once it's stained. The first step for an old slab like this one outside is cleaning it with an acid solution to remove old stains and to encourage it to accept the new stain. Michael is applying the semi-transparent stain in very small sections so that he can control the consistency. By varying each individual square in the grid, it'll look more like separate tiles than one big concrete slab. Now, speaking of tiles, they go in next on the drilling station, and after they're grouted, the small sink is added to complete this part of the project. The play area for the adults is completely finished and kind of has a feel of a cozy outdoor family room. With the stained concrete flowing together really nicely with the center rug and comfortable furniture, not a bad place to spend an afternoon. Now, one thing this outdoor family room has that an indoor room wouldn't have, a nice grilling station with the stainless steel sink, the under-counter refrigerator, and a nice brand new stainless steel grill. The homeowner is really anxious to get some use out of this.